In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique text effect in Microsoft Word using WordArt to form text in a circular shape. This is a wonderful way to make your documents stand out, whether you're designing a logo, making personalized invitations, or just adding a creative touch to your work. So let's dive in and see how you can easily achieve this effect. To begin, open the Microsoft Word file where you want to add this text circle effect. If you're starting from scratch, just click to open a new document. It's always a good idea to have your document set up in the orientation, landscape, or portrait. That best suits your final design before getting into the process. Once your document is ready, you'll want to navigate to the Insert tab located on the top menu bar. Clicking on the Insert tab opens up a variety of options, but for our purposes, focus on finding and clicking the Shapes button. When you click on Shapes, you'll see a list of different shape options pop up. For our project, select the circle shape. If there's no perfect circle available, choose the oval shape and hold down the Shift key while you draw, ensuring you get a perfect circle for your design. Adjust the circle to your desired size by clicking and dragging the corners. This circle will act as a guide for your word art, so consider the size carefully depending on how you want the final result to appear. Now that you have your circle, it's time to add your text. Head again to the Insert tab if you moved away and select Word Art. For this demonstration, we'll go with the basic Word Art option. After selecting the style you like, a text box will appear where you can type in whatever words or phrases you'd like to curve around the circle. Upon typing your text, you will be automatically directed to the Word Art tools. Here, you have various options to format your text, but for now, let's focus on one key feature, changing its shape. Look for the option labeled Change Shape. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down list, select Circle as your shape transformation. Your word art text will now curve itself around an invisible circle, and the aim here is to align it perfectly with the circle shape we've previously inserted. Feel free to adjust the font size or spacing to make sure everything lines up perfectly. You might have to do a little nudging here and there. A tip: if your text doesn't fit well or looks cramped, tweak the size of the original circle or adjust the font size to ensure everything is visually pleasing. At this point, you've learned how to create an eye-catching circular text effect using WordArt in Microsoft Word. Experiment a little with different fonts, colors, and sizes to make the design truly your own. Enjoy your unique creation, and I hope this brings a fresh and exciting element to your documents.